See Volcano Bay. What's the name of that slide? I can't remember.
I have no idea.
I can't remember neither.
It's some Hawaiian name.
They're all Hawaiian, Polynesian names.
That's what I'm saying. So
Good guess,
Why?
good
I
guess.
don't know.
Good guess, good guess. The blue one's the more fun ride, right?
I don't know, more extreme, I think.
Yeah, the blue, yeah, the green is wet. The blue is wild, yeah. Ironically, wet and wild, boom, boom. Right? That's the water park they destroyed to build Volcano Bay. Welcome back, everyone, to Canny Wreck This Journey. Nah,
Wrong episode.
just kidding. It's the wrong, yeah, that's the wrong episodic event. Welcome, everyone, Team 7 on another adventure. We are here today at Universal's Cabana Bay. Cabana Bay?
Yes, sir.
Cabana Bay Resort. You already know. I don't know. And hey, look, I matched the wall. I'm blending in. I'm blending in. It's an illusion. Anyway, we're about to check in our room, and let's take you with us. Join us. All right, what room we're in? 4340. Man, I don't never know nothing. Pretty cool carpeting here. Got a very retro feel. Meet George Jetson. It feels just like the Jetsons. In fact, this building reminds me of the Jetsons.
I just realized
43, 46, look, we're right here.
I have the squeakiest shoes on in the world right now. I apologize for my squeaks.
So squeakiest shoes in the world. Oh, here we are.
Meet the Jetsons.
Our humble little abode. Walk past the bathroom real quick. Deuces. Nice little bathroom. Where's this light switch? Light switch. There we go. Nice. Man, everything it feels so retro. Like, it's a nice room though. Pretty colorful, nice size room. Big sink. Closet. That's the door we came in. It's funny, look at the bottom, look. Everybody who in the world who had closets like this, no, that's what happens. I don't know any other closet. If it didn't swing like that, it just wouldn't be right. Double queen beds. It's very colorful. Very colorful.
No king beds.
No king beds. Yeah, by the way, no king beds. So if you want a king bed, womp, womp, womp. No king beds here. Look at that little ice tray. Man, look at the little ice bucket. Look at those seats. Those seats remind me of F&W Woolworth Company. See, I swear to God. Oh, got your stuff in there already. Nice. Nice. Got a mini fridge. Got a little nice size little mini fridge. So if you got some drinks. And of course, this is what they call this, pool view room. Poolside. So you can see the other buildings. I swear to God, you know what this feels like? You know what this feels like to me?
What?
Royal Caribbean's Harmony of the Seas. Where you look out the window and you see the other side?
Yeah.
I swear to God, this is what it reminded me. I was just like...
Without the awesome pool.
Without the awesome pool, yeah. All they're missing is a carousel and an aqua theater.
Pretty sure we'll see some nice aqua shows in that pool.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I got a little kid right there. Look at him. Look at him lean back. Look at him. He's like the spinny guy. What is his name? I can't remember his name. I wish Kayla was here. The spinny guy from the pool.
Yeah.
Look at him. He's like a porpoise.
You see? You thought you weren't going to
Look
see
at that.
show.
Oh man, we even get an aqua show here. This is awesome. Okay, so that's a quick little room tour of Universal's Cabana Bay. Why do I feel like I'm saying that wrong? Don't grow old. I don't know. I'm saying that. I feel like I'm saying that wrong.
You fit in so swimmingly here.
I do. Got my bright orange on. Man, I'll tell you. Look at it.
You're part of the furniture.
Man, look at it. I'm going to blend right in. In fact, I can just lay right there all night and sit there tomorrow morning after checkout and they wouldn't even know I'm here. They'll just prop the pillows up. Yeah, I'll be chilling. Get an extra day. But But anyway, we're gonna be here for the night. We're gonna go check out some things. City walk. Are we going to the park? I don't know if we're going to the park.
I don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna wing it.
We're winging it, so just
I know there's some tequila in my future though.
as in minds. So it's just the mommy and daddy today. So it's just the T and the E, the A and the M, and all the sevens, wherever they're at. So we're just the custodial. We're the custodial members of Team 7. And that means exactly what it sounds like. Okay, so that is our little tour of our little room. What is it, 43, 46? Here at Universal's Cabana Bay. If you enjoyed it, just please give us a thumbs up. Hit the like button. If you would like to see more, just hit the subscribe button right next to the thumbs up. And then right next to the subscribe button is a little bell icon. If you want to be notified every time we upload another video, just hit that bell icon. And until the next adventure, deuces.
I can't see my deuces.
Deuces. There's deuces.